Hello student, myself Digant Sakhiwala. I am your science sir. Today we will continue chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of life. Dear student, last time we learned about some characteristic of the cell. Today we will learn about the cell organelle present in the cell. Okay, so first we will start with the cell wall. Okay, cell wall. Plant cell have the another rigid outer covering called the cell wall. So animal cell in that cell wall is absent. Okay. Plant cell only in that cell wall is present. This cell wall is made up of cellulose. Okay, cellulose is made up of long chain of saccharides. Okay, or we can say that long chain of carbohydrates. Now what is carbohydrate or saccharide or sugar? The compound which are made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, they all are called carbohydrate, saccharide or sugar. Whatever we are using the sugar at home, that is the sucrose. Okay, it is a mixture of glucose and fructose. Okay, the cell wall lies outside plasma membrane. The plasma membrane mainly composed of cellulose. So I told you that cellulose is made up of long chain of carbohydrate, that is glucose, fructose, and make it long chain. Okay, so that is called the cellulose. Cellulose is a complex substance and provides structural strength to the plant. So it is a very complex, okay, and it provides the strength. Like we know about the starch. Starch is also long chain of carbohydrates or saccharide. Okay. Plasmolysis. In plasmolysis, what happens, dear student? When plant cell loses the water, then it starts shrinking. That is called the plasmolysis. Okay. So that is occur because of what? Cell wall. When a living cell loses water through osmosis, there is a shrinkage or contraction of the cell away from the cell wall. This phenomena is known as plasmolysis. Okay, so contraction occur or shrinkage occur when it loses the water. That is called the plasmolysis. If we put a royal leaves in the boiling water, the cell wall is become a dead. So it depends that only living cell and not dead cell are able to absorb water by the osmosis. Okay, dear student, what happened? Whenever we take a plant and we put it into the coloring solution, okay, then what happen? That color will diffuse into the cell by the diffusion process. But whenever we boil any plant cell, like we take the outer layer of rohio plant, then we boil it, and then after we carry out the diffusion process of color will not take place because it is become a dead. So we can say that the cell wall is become a dead. So it appears that only living cell, this is important, only living cell and not dead cells are able to absorb water by the osmosis. Cell wall permit the cell of plants, fungi and bacteria to withstand very dilute external media without bursting. Okay, so here plant cell allow the only that much amount of water or something other compound like water, carbon dioxide to oxygen that it can tolerate without bursting. It will not burst. Okay, in such a media, the cell tend to take up water by osmosis. The cell swells, building up pressure against the cell wall. The wall exerts an equal pressure against the swollen cell. So what happened here? That osmosis, in that we will discuss about the water. So when any cell absorbs the water, then it absorbs the water in limited quantity. That much pressure will be tolerated by cell wall, and cell wall also apply the same force on the water molecule. Okay, because of their wall, such a cell withstand much greater changes in the surrounding medium than the animal cell. Because of that reason, plant cell is withstand for the long time compared to animal cell. Nucleus. Dear student, nucleus is very important in the cell. Nucleus is the center part of the cell. In that DNA and RNA is present. Okay, DNA, full form of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid, and it was discovered by the Watson and Crick, and for that they are awarded Nobel Prize. Whatever in your characteristics are there, that characteristics are come from your parents. Okay, so that is mainly because of what? DNA. Doctors are giving the medicine to you, that medicine is suitable to DNA, then and then only he will give. DNA, in that 4 components are present: adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. Okay, the nucleus has a double layer covering called nuclear membrane. The nuclear membrane has pores which allow the transfer of material from the inside nucleus to its outside, that is to cytoplasm. So nucleus outside cytoplasm is present, and nucleus is also surrounded by the nuclear membrane. So any material is going from nucleus to cytoplasm, that is also maintained by the nuclear membrane. The nucleus contains chromosomes which are visible as the rod-like structures when the cell is about to divide. Okay, so nucleus contains chromosome and which are visible as the rod-shaped structure when the cell is about to divide. So from one cell, two cells are obtained. From two cells, four cells are obtained. That is called regular cell division occur. Okay. Chromosome contain information for the inheritance of the characters from the parents to the next generation in the form of DNA. So DNA in that inheritary characteristics are there. So whatever characters are there from your parents, that will come in you, or your grandfather or your mother's side, any relative, that is because of the DNA. Okay. RNA means ribonucleic acid. Okay. Dear student, we will learn more about the chromosomes, chromatin material and DNA. Afterwards, we will learn about prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell and nucleoid. Okay. Chromosomes are composed of DNA and protein. Okay. So chromosome, in that mainly DNA and protein is present. DNA molecule contain the information necessary for the constructing and organizing cell. Functional segment of DNA are called genes. So you have to remember what is called gene. The functional part of or functional segment of DNA is called the gene. As well as DNA also contain the information necessary for the constructing and organizing the cell. Chromatin material is visible as rectangle, complex mass of the thread-like structure. Okay, so in some cases it is visible as a complex structure. Okay, whenever the cell is about to divide, the chromatin material get organized into the chromosome. So whatever chromatin material are there, when cell is going to divide, then it organized into the chromosomes. The nucleus play a central role in the cellular reproduction. So from one cell, two cell to four cell, whatever reproduction occur, that is called the cellular reproduction. In that also the nucleus play the major role. Okay, nucleus generally present in the center of the cell. The process by which a single cell divide and forms a two new cell. Okay, so here in this regular cell division, one cell to two cell to four cell, like regular cell division occur. But somewhere if the regular cell division not occur, then there is a chances to form the cancerous cell. So in cancer generally what happen? Irregular cell division occur. It also play a crucial part along with the environment in determining the way the cell will develop and what form it will exhibit at maturity by directing the chemical activities, as well as it governs the most of the chemical activities in the nucleus. Nucleoid. In some organisms like bacteria, the nuclear region of the cell may be properly defined due to the absence of nuclear membrane. So somewhere nuclear membrane is absent. Such an undefined nuclear region containing only nucleic acid is called the nucleoid. Okay, so nuclear membrane is absent and we get a nuclear region containing only nucleic acid, that is called the nucleoid. Now nucleic acid, in that we can consider two things. One is DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA, that is ribonucleic acid. Okay. Prokaryote. Prokaryote meaning is what? Pro means primary and kairotes means Kairote means karyon, it means nucleus. Organism whose cell lack a nuclear membrane called prokaryotes. Pro means primary or primitive. Kairote means karyon or it is nucleus. Eukaryote. Organism with the cell having a nuclear membrane are called the eukaryotes. So most of the developed organisms are there, they are eukaryotes because in that nuclear membrane is present. Prokaryotic cell also lack most of the other cytoplasmic organelle present in the eukaryotic cell. So many organelles are absent in the prokaryotic cell that is present in the eukaryotic cell. We take one example. The chlorophyll in the photosynthetic prokaryotic bacteria is associated with the membrane vesicle bag like structure. So here membrane vesicle type of structure are there, that is responsible for the photosynthesis process in the prokaryotic bacteria, but in the eukaryotic cell plastid is present. Okay, so this is all about the nucleus. Thank you so much.